Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI projects to organize work by topic. If you're using Claude AI and you want to organize your project or you want to organize your complete work with a topic, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here you have to make sure that you are signed in to Claude AI. Now, once you are in Cloud AI, the very first thing you just have to create a new project. So simply go to projects and here just try to create new project. Click on new project and here you have to enter your project name. So let's see, I'm gonna enter. Now here, once you have entered your project name, you can also add some description about your project. And once you have done, just click on create project and your project will be created. Now, once you have created a project, you can easily add your recent chats to your project. Just click on these three dots and click on add to project. Select the project you want and your chat will be successfully added to your project. So I go to projects. Now in this project, you can see I have two chats added. So in this way, you can easily organize all your work in a single topic. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.